Good morning all. Welcome to a fine sunny Sunday morning. There's a car meet over in Southend, East Beach. So I thought, you know what, let's go and check it out. Good spot to come and chill in your car, have a coffee, just sit here and watch the world go by. See, this is a nicer bit. This is more like Fort Bay though, I think. And then you've got East Beach, which I think might be Shoebury, can't remember. So normally you get the bikes park up in that bit dead ahead of me there. Oh, there's a couple there by the looks of it. But we're not going there today. Maybe on the way out I'll stop and say hello. But I plan on the car bit, and it looks busy. We'll go through and then park up. Oh, look at these. Look at that. That's a car, isn't it? Oh, yeah, mate, you alright? Yeah, you alright? I'll be around in a sec. Hey.
Hello, how you doing?
Yeah, mate, good, you?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Good. Yeah, good to see you, man.
Good to see you. How's the Triumph treating you?
It's good, yeah.
So I'm currently editing this video and I've just noticed that there's actually hardly any footage of the actual event itself. I captured a bit of it on my phone, but I was too busy talking and drinking my coffee to actually, you know, film what the video is actually about. But yeah, enjoy anyway.
See you later, mate. Oh, it's a pretty good little turnout. Some nice cars there. Give way to the boat. Before I end the video, let's go for one little jaunt up the seafront. Why break the habit of a lifetime, eh? So this will be the first YouTube video I've put up for a little while, since November I think. I've done a few shorts in between, but, you know, it's not quite the same, is it? But nice to actually make a full-on vid for a change. Albeit, you know, not really much going on, just going to a car meet and back, but yeah, I've missed it. I've missed the using some actual proper software rather than clipping things on the phone for TikTok and whatever. As good as it is, not the same. So yeah, see if I can remember how to use DaVinci. Well, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, almost approaching the big 60 subscribers. So, you know, I think I'm at the point now where I can call it a day with a main job, take YouTube on full time. What do you reckon? 60 subs is enough, right? Anyway, have a good weekend. Bye.